I can say with total confidence and absolute endorsement that this is one of the most unique properties in San Diego. As you enter the home, the first thing that you are struck with is the view. I've had so many clients be stunned by a property but felt the view was lacking, or a great view but the property was lacking. And this one, the challenge for me is how to articulate and how to show what's really here. It's jaw-dropping. Within all of that, there are certain homes that are beautiful and you don't understand how you would live daily life in them. This home works for a family. This home works for a couple. It really has the finest materials, but it was set up as a primary residence. This isn't a second home. This home was set up for these owners as a legacy piece. And so they thought through every particular point that would work for them and their family, and they executed perfectly. Oftentimes with a home like this that is perched up with such great elevation, you can feel disconnected. You can feel like the access to daily living or to the beach is limited, and this home is walking distance to some of San Diego's best beaches. It's walking distance to shops and dining, and yet it's set back and it retreats into its own. Because you're able to watch the sun span the entirety of the sky, because you're able to see the different shades along the water and the lights kick in downtown for the backdrop, it really helps you frame the course of your day and the energy that you get to partake in by being perched above all the elements. These do not come available very often in one's lifetime, and this one is so special and they executed so well that this is the complete home for San Diego's market.